If you're starting web development in 2026, we're probably overwhelmed. One person says, learn React, another says, learn Backend, and suddenly you're stuck watching tutorials without building anything. Before we dive in, subscribe to our channel. We post practical web dev tutorials and career tips to keep you on track. In this video, I'll give you a clear roadmap you can follow step by step, what to learn, in what order, and what to build at each stage so you don't waste months. First, understand the goal. Web development is building interfaces people use and systems that store data and respond to users. So we'll build skills in layers. Stage 1, the core foundation, weeks 1 through 3. Start with the Holy Trinity: HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. HTML is the structure, like walls and rooms. CSS is the design, paint, layout, responsiveness. JavaScript is behavior, buttons, forms, logic. Rule: don't finish HTML, CSS, JS in theory. Learn just enough, then build. Build these projects. 1. A personal portfolio, mobile first. 2. A landing page for a fake business. 3. A simple calculator or quiz app. While building, learn Flexbox, Grid, responsive design, DOM, events, basic arrays objects. Stage 2. Make websites feel like apps, weeks 4 through 6. Now learn how real sites work: forms, validation, saving data, and APIs. Use local storage to save simple data. Learn fetch and async await to call APIs. Projects: 1. Weather app, API plus search. 2. Expense tracker, CRUD, add, edit, delete. 3. Movie search app, API results plus details. Stage 3, tools that make you professional, week 7. This is where beginners level up. Git, GitHub, save versions, collaborate. Chrome DevTools, debugging, deployment. GitHub pages, Netlify, Vercel. Goal: every project should be online with a link. Stage 4, Backend basics, weeks 8 to 10. To build web apps, login, dashboards, payments. Learn backend basics: Node.js plus Express, routes, endpoints, REST APIs, databases, MongoDB or PostgreSQL. Pick one. Auth basics, sessions, JWT conceptually. Projects: 1. Notes API, CRUD. 2. Full stack to do with login. 3. Simple store backend, products plus orders. Stage 5, Frontend framework, weeks 11 to 14. Now React or Vue will finally make sense because your fundamentals are strong. Build, routing, components, state basics. Project full stack, job tracker or mini LMS. Users, roles, save data. Weekly formula: 70% building, 20% learning, 10% reviewing. Keep a wins folder, screenshots plus links of your projects. And in 2026, use AI to speed up learning, but don't copy blindly. Ask, explain this line, and quiz me on this. And before you go, subscribe to our channel, share this video with a friend learning web dev, and drop a comment. What stage are you starting from today?